Buon Natale, Buona Feste, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and benvenuto, welcome to Bruce in Colorado, really Bruce in Italy. Today, since it is the Christmas holidays, we're going to open up a pack of Calciatori bustine, so stickers, from the 2021 collection. Now, we're not going to the 2021-22 collection that just came up. We're actually going backwards to the last series that was released. Think of it as the end of the year cards and stickers after the season, the 2020-21 season was over. It's sort of like the update series for Upper Deck Hockey or Topps Baseball, where they're kind of catching up with the end of the season before the next season starts. And the worst part of this is that we don't have an album to stick it in. But that's okay. We'll look at the stickers. We'll see what players we get, just like with any baseball or football or hockey cards. But the best part is this, the Gommiglie. The word Gommiglie means gum or rubber. They're made out of rubber and they go in a frame of sorts. And because they are about that same size and have a string attached to them, we're going to treat it like it is a ornament. And then we're going to hang them on our little Roman Christmas tree at the end of this video. We hope to get a Roma Gommiglie. However, that's not necessarily likely. Apparently, they're all Series A, so we have 20 or 30 different teams that we could possibly get. It says we have two of these rubber things. This was almost impossible to find because just like trying to find a Series 1 Topps 2021 baseball pack, they're not on the stands or the edicolo, the newsstands. So they're not on the stands. I had to dig around, find this hidden, and so hopefully it has everything. And open it up and see what's included in this funky little pack. Okay, so broke that open. Here's our two Gommiglie. And here is our pack of 40 figurines and 10 special figurines. Special! Calciatori 2021. Let's open the cards first. I will post some information about some of the players. And then we'll open up our special inserts after that. Okay. Here is one of the online codes. Look at this. This is a jersey of Juventus. Very popular and successful team. Currently pretty much in the lead or in the top 3 of the Series A Italy teams. And here's, looks like Dacia. Here is some of the older Calciatori album covers. So here's the 67-68 and the 97-98. Here's 94-95. And I can't quite see that. All right. So here is BFC, Spezia, Venice, Torino or Turin. These are all the Scudetto or Shields logos, emblems of the different teams. Intella. All right, here's some of the players for this set. Tony Efe, Alex Britti, Ermal Meta, Fede, Bram Nutnik. It's from the Netherlands. All right, these are Series C guys from these teams. Alessandro Bassoli, Alessandro Vagliaccio, Giacomo Callo, Emanuele Giaccarini, Luigi Canato, Michael Fabro, Nicolo Gianetti, Cedric Gondo, Milan Jurcic, Emmanuel Terranova, Alessandro Fiordalicio, Luca Ravanelli, Eugenio Lamana, Danielle Samariva, Gabriel Paletta, Mario Rui from Portugal, Alex Ferrari, definitely from Italy, Ricardo Rodriguez, Gianluca Mancini from Italy, Antonin Barak from Czech Republic, Botund Baloch, Hungary, Alessandro Deola, also Italy, Duvan Zapata, Colombia, Simone Verdi from Italy, Nahitan Nandez, Patrick Cutrone, Adrian Tameze, Arturo Vidal, Giovanni Di Lorenzo, Henrik Mkhitaryan, wow, Armenia, sorry about that, Simone Colombi, Jacopo Sala, Leonardo Pavoletti, all from Italy, Rade Krunic, and Mehdi Laris. So we got 40 players, 40 player stickers, Bustine, and some Scudetto from the Italian teams, and jersey cards. All right, these would normally go in an album like we did for the 21-22 Calciatori album that just came out. And you can watch that here. There. And we got the covers in a silver thing, so that would normally go in the album, but we don't have one, so we're just going to save them and treasure them forever.
You'll always be my BFF.
Now, as far as our Christmas ornaments, our Gommiglie. Who did we get? Ooh, we got special cards within there. So, I wonder who it is. Special Bustine, special cachet. So I don't know if these are particularly rare. All right. Ladian Munmashad, Stefane Omianga Raul Asensio, Giuseppe Belushi, Julio Donati, Mario Samprisi, Vladimiro Falcone, Umberto Sirocco, Luca Bitante, Jacopo Sala, we already have one of those, so it's a repeat within the same packet. Luca Cigarini, all right, here's our other one, our stickers, and then we'll end up opening up the Gommiglie. Paolo Rosso, Giuseppe Zampano, Andrea Costa, Junior Messias, Marvin Ziegler, more Calciatori from the past, 1920 and 1989, 1990, David Ospina, and our special online code. Okay, so those are some very cool highlights. We'll keep looking out for 1920 album, but let's check out who do we get for Gommiglie.
Yeah, that's right, a zebra.
And here's a string. Next. So this is Sassuolo, a city in the middle of Italy, basically, near Bologna in Tuscany. It's actually in Modena, which is interesting because that's where the Panini plant actually is for Panini Italy. So it's like their home team. And this Gommiglie is from Udinese in Italy. 2 for our new Roman Christmas tree. Let's go hang them up. Here we are, our special Calcia. That's not good. Gommiglie. Udinese. And here we go. This one. It's our special Italian Calcio Christmas tree. Buon Natale! Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and not in that order.